Windows 11 does come with a lot of unnecessary apps and services, but the real problem is when people try to debloat it, they sometimes go too far and end up breaking their system. That's why I tested 4 different debloat methods, from beginner-friendly tools to advanced tweaks, and compared them based on difficulty, effectiveness, and suitability. So, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which method fits your level and which ones to stay away from. One of the most popular debloating apps out there is Winhance. Winhance is a tool created by a YouTuber called Memory, and it is a very useful tool whenever you want to debloat your operating system. It allows you to customize Windows apps and features, external software, and even optimize your operating system. It can be used by the average user, and it also has advanced tools such as creating an auto unattended XML for more advanced users. There are definitely more pros than cons in this tool, but if I were to name one con, it would be that it has a very large number of settings, and maybe for the average user that could be a bit overwhelming. To use the software, simply select the section that you're interested in. In this case, if you want to debloat your operating system, you can select the optimize section, and from here you're going to have all the necessary settings that you can use in order to optimize and debloat the operating system, from disabling services, uninstalling apps, and disabling options that take up a lot of resources in your operating system. In my opinion, Winhance is a software that should be used by pretty much all users because it is really intuitive, even though it has a lot of options. If you're interested in a more complex and advanced tool, you can use the Titus Windows utility tool, and this is yet again one of the best tools out there that allows you to customize, debloat, and optimize your Windows 11 operating system. The only con to this app is that it is one of the most advanced out there, so I think the average user should do its research before using the tool, but the software also allows you to use some recommended selections, and for example, you can go for the minimal optimization package that will debloat and customize the system in a way that it won't damage any personal files or software. For more advanced users, they can use the tweaks section and select every option that they want, for example, disabling the telemetry, disabling the background apps, Microsoft Copilot, and many more services or applications that come pre-installed inside the operating system, and then you just need to click on the Run Tweaks button to apply everything that you've selected. It has even more advanced options such as creating configs and presets that you can apply on multiple computers, so this is making the Titus Windows utility tool one of the best out there for debloating or customizing the Windows 11 operating system. There is also a manual way of debloating the operating system, and that is by using the group policy editor, which allows you to edit all the policies inside Windows 11, and with Windows 11 25H2, it even allows you to customize the apps that come pre-installed with Windows 11 for newly created users. It is a difficult and high-risk solution that can only be performed by advanced users or users who have done their research before starting this task. In my opinion, it is the best method for users that want to be in control of every option that they customize, so if you know what you're doing, it is one of the best options. Finally, we have one official application from Microsoft, which is Microsoft PC Manager. Technically, it's not a debloating tool, but it's perfect for users with little technical knowledge who want to optimize and clean their computer easily. It just requires one click of a button to optimize the operating system. For the Microsoft PC Manager tool, you can check the video link in the upper right corner. I think this app can be used by pretty much any Windows 11 user, as it is an official tool provided by Microsoft, which allows you to easily debloat and optimize the Windows 11 operating system. So this was the video for today. These are 4 different methods of debloating the Windows 11 operating system, some more advanced, some easier for the average user, but I'm looking forward to see your opinion in the comments below. What is the best debloat method from this video? Until next time, have a nice day.